People are supposed to be the high achievers. The early bird is supposed to be to catch the worm, right? And a cold shower to wake up. I point out that if you analyze productivity experts' morning routines, you will find in some things in common. Most focus on big picture goals, gratitude and planning for the day. That is my morning philosophy of a quote from Mark Twain. If the first thing you do each morning is to eat a live frog, you can go through the day with the satisfaction of knowing that is probably the worst thing that is going to happen to you all day long. Build the habit of doing your boost of accomplishment first thing. Create your ideal morning routine for a productive day.